Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. So let's make the law of assumption easy. The law of assumption is assuming that you have something. Assuming is assuming and thinking that something will happen, and then it does. So what I do is, I assume that every time I say what I want, it happens, or will happen. So I found a way to make manifesting easy for myself. I found a way to convince myself I'll have something, and that it will happen. And will happen is happens, is have it, the having of it. For any desire, if you decide what you want, say what you want, and as you say what you want, you focus on it. You focus on the having of it, as you say it. Like it with you, next to you. You're doing it or experiencing it. Maybe you focus on a picture of it. For a specific person, you sense or see a person is there with you, as you say it. This implies the focus of the having of it, as you say you want it. And that alone can then manifest it fast. See my video called 3 Steps to Manifest Anything for more on how to manifest and how I manifest everything in 3 steps. So then from doing that, you feel like, yes, I'll have it, and yes, it will happen. You've just assumed by doing that, law of assumption, that your desire will then happen. So then it does. And if it doesn't happen after that, it means that you have a thought there after doing that still implies or says it won't happen, and I won't have it. And that is what prevents it. So you haven't yet convinced yourself beforehand without proof, like the law of assumption says to do. Law of assumption is believing you have something without proof. So try my way. For me, it works for everything. If I did the 3 steps and I didn't see results, I can easily see why. It's because there's some thought, feeling, memory, or belief there that says I can't have it, won't happen. And those 3 types of thoughts are the problem. So then I see that and I shift those and I start to see results. I take those won't happen thoughts and adjust them. Like, I can't have money because I don't know how to make more. That becomes, I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. I want free money now. I want money to come to me and find me exactly where I am now. I want ways to make money to come to me now. For a relationship, you may think, everyone does this to me. So instead, you could change it to, I want everyone to treat me this way now. I want this. Do you see the difference? One says have it. One says don't have it, won't have it. If I were to just say I have something, like I have $1 billion, I have the love of my life, when I don't, then my mind instantly rejects it, and it says, no you don't, and all the reasons why I don't. And I'm focused then on all the reasons why I don't have it, and I don't see it there with me then. But if I were to say I want to have, then my mind focuses on the having of that. Will have it. And that's what you want. So, decide what you want. Say what you want. And as you say what you want, focus on the having of it. Then as you say it, know because you did that, because you said it, that you'll have it and it'll happen. Then after that, leave the topic alone. Go do other things. And distract yourself. So no contradictory opposite thoughts will interfere then. Then from that, a way will be formed, made, and created for you to get it. You'll get internally led. It'll feel normal and natural as it's happening. So what you want to do is the 3 steps, and then leave it be. No afterthoughts after. And if you can maintain that internal state of I'll have it, it'll happen, and believe it so, then your desire manifests fast and easy. Then, if you can maintain that internal state of being of, I said what I wanted, I did the steps, so I know that I'll have it, and I know that it'll happen, and feeling that internally, and maintaining that internal feeling, and living in that state of being until it manifests, and then it'll manifest fast and easy. You want to maintain that internal feeling of feeling like, yes, I'll have it, and yes, it'll happen. I did the steps, I said what I wanted, and because I said what I wanted, I say what I want, and it happens. I always get what I want. And the thing you want, then you know because you did that you'll have it, and it'll happen. And that's the law of assumption. That's the assumption that you have now created for yourself. That makes manifesting so easy. Comment below. Does it feel better for you to say, I have $1 billion? Or, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want to have $1 billion now. Comment below which one makes you feel more like you have it, or will have it, or will happen. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.